So in this display we have three components. We have the motor, we have the servo motor moving this shield, and the thermoresistor behind these wires. When the temperature rises above 27 degrees, the servo motor will move the cover and start turning the fan to cool down the air. As right now, the display shows it's at a resting temperature about 26 degrees. So when I move and warm up the thermoresistor, it turns on the fan, and right now it's at a temperature of 28 degrees. So it'll keep running until it just lowered below 27 back into 26 and 25. So if I warm it up again, it'll go until it cools down and it's back below 26 again.